Today I'll be demonstrating opening the combination master padlock M176 and the 875 using this bypass tool and a touch and feel method. The M176 can be opened two ways by using the combination that comes with the padlock, or you can reset it yourself. This one, the combination is 2659. Dial it 2659, and to open it you depress on the shackle and it opens. Yeah. And the second method has a key, and I believe it's 4-pin. Insert it, you have to depress the shackle and rotate the key and it will open. And the way to bypass this is using a bypass tool like this one. You insert it between the body and the wheels, on the side, and maneuver it all the way back to the back of the lock. Push down, so while simultaneously pushing down on the shackle, and it unlocks that easily. The Master 875, you cannot use the bypass tool because the tolerances between the wheel and the body is too tight and you can't get one of these things in there. And I believe lockpicking lawyer says the insides are different. Even if you get this in there, you wouldn't be able to open it up. So the method you have to use to bypass on this lock is that you have to pull on the shackle and rotate each one of the wheels until you feel a lot of loose movement between the numbers. Right now you can turn it and it goes freely. The combination to this one, I believe, is 011. Yeah. And you can change the combination by turning the shackle, depressing it, turning it 90 degrees, put another number in it, turn it back, lift it up, and you have a new combination, just like that. So now we'll attempt to open this by pulling on the shackle and rotating the wheels. Put the right side up here. And I'm applying pressure, and the wheels don't turn very well. They bind. Release the pressure. Go to the next number. Pull on the shackle. And you can see that it moves freely between two numbers. So we know it's 0. Go to the next one. I'm pulling on the shackle and the wheel doesn't move. Release the shackle and the wheel will move. Pull again, it's tight. Pull again, it's tight. Pull again, we got it loose. Move to the next number. Pull on the shackle tightly. The wheel doesn't move. Release the pressure. Pulling. Go to the next number. Pull again. The wheel doesn't move. 8. The wheel doesn't move. 9. Nope. Pull again. 0. Nope. 1. It moves, so I know that's the number. And the last number, you can just pull on the shackle, and actually I don't have to pull on the shackle, you just go until you hit each number. Yeah, and it opens. So what you're doing is you're pulling on the shackle like this, trying to rotate one of the wheels. You'll feel that it's too tight. Release the pressure. Go to the next one. Pull. It's tight again. You keep on going until you find one that's loose. This last one is 0. We know that. On 0, pull, and you'll see that the wheel does move. We know that's the number. So that's how you bypass the 875 and the M176 padlocks by Master.